What?
Don't find any merit in the petition, and accordingly it stands dismissed.
Well, kami dulu boleh di orang lain. Itu boleh dilihat. Serius kan?
Petition is allowed, and accordingly the charge sheet as well as the criminal proceeding pending against the accused petitioner is stands and set and watched.
Nice. Telah boleh.
Item 42, what happened actually, the appellant took a plea of juvenility at this stage.
Yes.
So basically they don't have any documents like the birth certificate, school certificate, etc. But the question is one voter list has been produced. That is of 2015, wherein his age was 19 years. And so obviously in the year 2012, he will be either 16, 17 or 18. Apart from that, I have also produced this, the statement made by the accused under Section 330 CRPC. There also he, disclosed his age as 20 years. So in that case also he may be 16, 17 years, maybe as per their project. So I have passed an order to determine the age of the accused appellant. Within 1 month it has to be reached.
Yes.
So additional, session judge is accordingly that.
Yes.
That's
No, it was not juvenility to determine to the session judge. I beg to mention one item which I listed twice, but you also could not see. Urgent initial bail matter, my lord. Maybe taking at 2, my lord.
at 2. Which item?
My lord? Unlisted. Unlisted.
Unlisted.
Yes. Because this is external difference.
Make people root repairs may be allowed because I have some work actually. That's why I asked the registry to list 50 list. I mean, this is a 39, 40 wala list. Otherwise, 50, 60, 70 list is there.
This matter was listed yesterday.
Was listed, okay, then make list maybe Monday. Monday it can be listed. Be listed on Monday.
The same prayer lordship, the Monday. Yesterday was the leftover lordship, the 2 days, 85 days. And Monday.
Okay.
Diploma.
My lord, I beg to mention item 18, my lord. In this case, I have filed one additional affidavit, my lord. It is not tagged, so let the matter be listed next Wednesday.
CD receipt, my lord.
CD is available, my lord.
CD receipt.
Yes.
Next week.
Wednesday or Tuesday?
As your lordship pleases.
Because Thursday is a
Tuesday,
holiday,
Tuesday.
so
Yes,
we have to be completed all this work. So let it be on Tuesday. Tuesday is
21. Highly obliged. My lord.
Are you on interim also?
No, my lord. It is a bail was rejected by your lordship.
Oh, so
That's
it's a
why.
hearing.
Yes, my lord. Already heard, my lord. But your lordship wants new ground, my lord. That ground we have an inserted.
Okay.
My lord, I have filed this case on 13, my lord, and accordingly on 15 I have mentioned for this case. Yesterday 16, my lord, this case has been listed before this honorable court, my lord. So today I am praying for unlisted motion, my lord, at 2, my lord. It's
What?
very urgency, my lord.
What is the nature of it?
Yes,
It's a
yes,
bail.
bail hearing, my lord.
Yesterday it was listed.
Yes, my lord. Highly obliged, my lord. Highly obliged.
I have a prayer for listing a new matter for motion on Monday. Monday, new matter, not leftover.
What motion?
Bail. Motion.
Monday listed. Tuesday.
Tuesday.
May I please, Your Lordship, my lord, item number 36, my lord. I am told that CD is not received here, my lord.
Yes.
So may I pray, my lord?
36.
36, my lord. Maybe, my lord, for CD in the next week, my lord. I am not on interim, my lord. Any day in the next week, my lord.
He has brought up.
36, my lord, case diary not received.
He did not receive yet. He is not in interim, I think.
Yes, my lord. Then any next week, my lord?
Next week, my lord, any day, my lord.
On Kitiaji Kerala.
Aaj 17. 24, my lord. 24. Friday, my lord. I am deeply obliged.
Lordship, in regard to item number 34, Lordship, case there is not available, Lordship, right? Nada, 34.
Are you on interim?
Yes, Lord.
Interim then, my lord, on 29th of May.
Obliged.
29th of May, interim be continued.
May I please, Lordship, item 20, my lord. I am for the informant, my lord. We have filed an additional affidavit that is kindly brought on record, my lord.
It should be brought on record.
Yes, my lord.
Oh,
Obliged, my lord. May it please, your lordship. That's why I beg to mention item number 28, Lordship. Lordship, CD is not available.
28.
28. I am on interim.
28, my lord, case diary not received, my lord.
You are on interim?
Interim, Lord.
On 5th of June, my lord.
Second June of July.
Obliged.
May please, Your Lordship. My lord, I beg to mention item number 19, my lord. Perhaps it is not received, my lord.
It is not received, my lord.
Petitioner is on interim, my lord. It is from Azalta. Second of June.
My lord, 4th of June, my lord.
My lord, kindly
Second of June, they were.
second week of the June, my lord. Second week.
5th of June, my lord. 5th.
My lord, kindly it may be 11 or 12, my lord.
Yes, 11.
Obliged. Earlier interim shall continue.
Interim will be continued.
Obliged.
May it please your lordship, I beg to mention item number 13.
1-3.
Yes.
1-3, my lord, charge sheet submitted.
It was
13.
already,
1-3.
charge sheet has already been
My senior is not well. Kindly adjourn the matter for today.
Chiranjeev Bora hai.
She may not be in a position,
Yes.
so let it be on Monday.
Yes.
Much
Monday
obliged.
is peace.
May I please, Lord? My lord, this is for 39 application, my lord. I am behind the bar since 87 days. My lord, co-accused persons granted bail by your lordship after 74 days. Kindly page number 22, my lord.
No, same Dharamkul PS case number 8.
Dharamkul.
Other cases fixed on 17. Or 22-5.
Mandatory
Kiman-
for
Kiman in
87 days. My lord, kindly page number 22. Some more petitioners granted bail, my lord, after 74 days. I am behind the bar since 87 days, my lord. Page number 22, my lord.
87 days.
আপনি আসলে so my lord, kindly length of detention, my lord. Kindly consider the length.
Yes, what happened? It is happening.
Yes, ma'am, 87 days.
Hard Mr. E. Paramanu. Hard Mr. E. Paramanu. This submitted by Mr. Paramanu. is behind the bar since when he was
87 days. date of arrest 22 2024. Forwarded on 21 to 2024.
20.
My lord.
Date of arrest 21 to 85 days.
86 days. 85 days. 21 no.
Or about what it makes next. Where is it spent?
CGM Morigao, my lord.
Mori. Haram Turban. Okay, you are granted bail without going by the medical. Yes, please. Okay.
Highly obliged.
To the certificate of PTA.
May I please, your lordship? This is an application of 439, your lordship. And the section level upon me is 392 and 34 of IPC. Lordship, I am 48 days behind the bar, your lordship. Lordship,
Forwarding report is at page 12. No?
page 12, your lordship.
Habitual offender, man. Caught red-handed, man. While snatching the mobile, man.
No, lordship, actually I was
The bike rider.
traveling back to home from Masjid, and in Naka checking they have arrested me. Only merit basis of suspicion, your lordship. And your military place is
You are Ahmedullah.
Ahmedullah, your lordship. Which may extend to 10 years, lordship. I will fall on that category, your lordship. And now I am behind the
Seems that you are the habitual offender.
Yes, habitual.
No,
They
lordship,
were caught
actually,
red-handed, my lord.
I am having a shop, lordship.
This type of offences continuously going on, my lord. Mobile snatching,
Snatching
my
of
lord.
mobile and
Snatching, schedule.
You are 48 days, so we'll try to accommodate you.
Yes.
From where it has to come?
From Jalukbari, my lord.
Jalukbari.
Short date,
Jalukbari, then we will give you a short date. Right.
17 on 27. 27.
Obliged, your lordship.
On a 439 bail application, my lord, petitioner is behind the bar for 42 days, my lord. 302 case, my lord. Here, my lord, your lordship kindly, lordship make all the, my lord, case diary, my lord.
It's 302, no?
Yes, my lord.
Call for the case diary.
Yes, sir.
Since when he is interested
42 days, my
40
lord.
days.
From 6/4/24, my lord.
Okay.
From CD has to come from Tezpur, my lord.
My lord,
17.
I think not.
17.
Ma'am, correct.
28. 5.
20,
28. 5.
28 5, no?
10 days. You have to, 10 days you have to give, no?
28 5, I am not available. 29 तारीख को दिया.
On 29. 5.
29. Yes, my lord. Sorry, my lord. 29 I am not. 28 I am available.
28 you are available.
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
It's not 27, 28. Must have blessed. May I please, Lord? My lord, 366 and for some POXO and 376 is also added. Lordship. At this stage, Lordship, CD and notice to the respondent number 2 may go.
6 of POCTO, 370,
Yes.
363, all are there.
These are
Okay. So you have,
respondent number 2, Lord.
then we have made, respond number 2.
My lord. Register as well as Lordship through officer in charge.
Do not number 2. Do not get number 2 and also in that case it has to be routed to the office of the PPI.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
The process I have allowed, just take steps, now for call for it. So, if
On
notice
5th of
has to
June.
go, then
Yes.
you are being arrested on which date?
23
Arrested
4.
on 23/4.
23. It could take minimum 10, 15 days, I
Yes.
10, 12 days maybe.
Yes. 5th of June.
Obliged.
Again, call it again.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, 438 application, Lordship. Allegations under section 498A, 313/506 and 294, Lordship. Lordship, this matter is charge-sheeted matter, Lordship, and the PRC case is pending before the learned JMFG Tihu, Lordship. And Lordship, here I have been shown absconder in the charge sheet, Lordship.
So
Lordship,
you are the husband or who are you?
I am the husband, Lordship. And other accused are my parents, Lordship, and they are released from the matter, Lordship case. Lordship, I want to participate in the trial, Lordship. So some protection may be granted, Lordship. And now, Lordship, the victim, that is my wife, we are living jointly, happily, Lordship, in my residence, Lordship. So, Lordship, I want to participate in the trial and some protection may be granted, Lordship. And the next
So
date
at
of...
this stage, where have you annexed the order sheet? Presently, what is the stage of the case?
No, Lordship, just not the next date of appearance is, I have stated in paragraph number, Lordship, the
You
next
have not
date of...
annexed any order sheet here?
No, order sheet I have
Can you
not
know it is
annexed.
a case of NPW or someone or don't know na?
Lordship, I have annexed only charge sheet and FIR, and I have stated in paragraph number 5, Lordship, the next date of appearance is 21/5, Lordship.
So you have received summon NBW. What is the issue still?
We have received summon, but I am not able to annex the summon, Lordship, and the next date of appearance is 21/5, Lordship.
Yes.
And Lordship, within 10 or 15 days, Lordship, time may be granted.
21/5 is
Next.
21/5, Lordship, it will be short period,
So
Lordship.
you have to appear. 21.
Today is 17th. Copy,
Yeah.
Pamela.
No, you have to appear. Go ahead. Hard MS.
Easy day.
Take done it.
As you could go. কালি অফিস খোলা আছে না?
খোলা আছে।
আছে না? অনর বিচার করে দিলে ভালো আছে।
That case has already started against the under section 498 330 594 showing in Harper up to 5 would be read there the happy as it was not happy or it or could not put it at the case as with search for the security of as stuff protective the something or forbid not to take the and the matter has already come. I hereby on or before it. Okay. Okay. Have it. Not a case of one with the above observation. Okay, you have granted interim protection. No corrosive action shall be taken against you. Appear before the planet court below on 21.
Next day.
And I have also reflected your submission that has been compromised and there will be
Obliged.
Praise the Lordship, it's a 438 application. Lordship, here Lordship, section involved is 376 and charge sheet is submitted. Now bailable warrant is pending against me. Lordship, here Lordship, the girl is 24 years old and I am 2 years older than her. So we had a love affair and we eloped for some period of time and came back to our families. And but during that period, Lordship, my uncle of the girl, Lordship, filed an Azahar, Lordship, out of some misunderstanding. Now, Lordship, that the major girl, she has filed an affidavit. The father of the girl filed an affidavit, and the informant himself also filed an affidavit that there was some misunderstanding. That is why I have filed this FIR, Lordship. I have all the three affidavits with me. I have also annexed it, but I would like to place the original one. I may be allowed to place it. Lordship, since case is still pending, Lordship, I am ready to appear before the Lordship committal court. Since this is a sessions tribal court, Lordship, in the event of my appearance, I may not be allowed to go on bail, Lordship. That's why I may be protected, Lordship. I'll appear, Lordship.
So, who filed the affidavit? Who sworn the affidavit? One
Lordship,
is
the alleged victim girl, the father of the alleged victim girl, and the informant, who happens to be the uncle of the alleged victim girl.
So you have been showing as an absconder.
Yes. Also, I will appear, Lordship. Also, I may be protected, Lordship.
Page 21, Malik.
Bailable warrant is needed.
Yes.
Yes, bailable warrant.
Give some interim protection.
Yes.
So, Mr. Bora?
Yes, sir.
Heard Mr. P. Bora. And also heard Mr. P. Bora. Mr. Bora. That would be an appropriate and the top for something. Game return back. However, you get it. Then it's sort of not by something with the ability of again, I like it. But that present, that's what that part and person that comma, but as well as that from also want the affirmable thought would but subject that it would appear before the planet court below to conflict it. However, as he did not contact and with the forest. There is a mention of it. And the fact about the and in spite of some it is not active that for the required by the board. How that that web next date is fixed.
So, it was 13/5, but now next date has been fixed. Before filing this petition, Lordship, it was 13/5. I will get the instruction what is the next date fixed, Lordship.
Okay, within 10 days you appear. Till 10 days you will be under interim protection.
Lordship, my prayer is, Lordship, on the event of my appearance, I may be allowed to go on bail, Lordship.
That's up to the right of the dealer, but you are being interim protection. I have already expected about the affidavit you have filed. Matter has been compromised and 3 affidavits are already filed by the victim, the father of the victim, as well as the answer. So these are reflected in our order. But the question I cannot directly, it should not be. That's why the interim protection will be there for 10 days. You appear, till 10 days, no corrective action shall be taken against you.
Obliged.
So, to take that, get there.
Application. 440 application Lordship. FIR is a case 10 Lordship. CD was called for.
CD received none.
CD is on 34 days in the jail Lordship.
How many days?
34 days. FIR is a case 10 Lordship. Original FIR.
The girl got pregnant, actually.
They have their love affairs, Lordship. And the boy sent his family members to the girl's house for marriage also. But there are some problem there. Then when he refused to marry, then file this FIR.
But that's what FIR, the accused family members of the accused sent a proposal for marriage.
Yes.
Otherwise, my lord, admittedly there was love affair between both of them, my lord.
Yes.
Initially promised to marry her, my lord, and on that pretext he established physical relationship. And my lord, thereafter he refused to, my lord.
Refused to marry, but in the FIR itself, I don't know, the Assamese version, I don't know what is there. But as with the translated one, it is said that accused sent the family members with proposal of marriage. Is there
Yes.
any in Assamese version, in vernacular language, what is there? Dear Prastabdi.
বিয়াৰ প্ৰস্তাৱ দি আমাৰ ঘৰলৈ মানুহ পঠিয়াইছে
Her
Proposal
father
was
also.
also sent.
Yes.
How many days? 30?
34 days, yeah.
And is there any such? You are Mr. Ena.
Enough.
Ena. What? that have for about last week for anti but consider that for the family members of them for marriage proposal family members of the and the present effect of but okay, I was just I was back for the for on this. So I for the it is COVID. Not sure what that that the considering the at the next part of and where it at pending in
She's in Amindo.
Signa
Amindo.
Amingaon, Kamrup,
Kamrup.
Rural.
Kamrup.
Up. Okay, okay.
12 my lord case diary not received my lord. Updated case diary which have
Merely Lordship. Lordship, your Lordship.
Need the updated case diary.
Lordship, kindly sit down, your Lord.
Recent case diary, was it written?
Yes, Lordship. I have to retain the case diary, Lordship.
No, was it written or it is you call for the updated one?
Yes, my lord. Updated case diary was called for along with my lord FSL report.
FSL.
No, Lordship, your Lordship, kindly produce the your Lordship, last order, Lordship.
No, that order may be a bit, I think so, because
then my lord,
post-mortem report was also called for.
Yes,
it is also in the case diary, Lordship, on that day. Kindly pay the last order, Lordship, your Lordship order.
I know.
Yes, then my lord, after some time I will get the instruction from our office.
All right.
May I please, Your Lordship? Herein the petitioner is in custody for 64 days.
My lord, in this case, my lord, post-mortem report not yet received. Post-mortem report will be required, my lord. Offense under section 302, and there are materials again from other materials, my lord. There are sufficient materials against the accused person to strongly suspect that, my lord, this is a case of, my lord, maybe homicidal case.
In the affair also, Your Lordship, they have stated that there is
You are in custody.
From my lord 15/3/2024 to 63 days.
64 days, Your Lordship.
63 days.
You need the PM report.
Yes, well, PM report.
Want to return the case diary or what?
No, from this pool, my lord, I will get the PM report, my lord.
You will get the PM.
Yeah, PM report and FSL
Case
report.
diary you want to retain or what?
Till
then?
Till then, yes, I will return back, my lord, because from Dispur police station for updation, my lord.
I think, Your Lordship, the case diary may retain, Your Lordship. In the meantime, they may collect the postmortem report, Your Lordship. On Tuesday, Your Lordship.
Which will be confident or which will
Yes, Your Lordship may kindly call for the my lord, updated case diary. Then
updated case diary, if you call for updated, then you have
along with PM and FSL report, my lord.
then you have to return back.
Yes, ma'am.
It is here, return back will receive by it or not.
Yes. Otherwise, my lord, I can also, my lord, call for the PM report and
For the
FSL.
PM report,
Yes.
everything.
Yes.
Is there elected
Seven.
PM report is not yet released by the admin. It's not available. Recording. Yeah. Recording debate for free to call for the PM report. Report. Call for the PM report and the FSA report. This accordingly, when it can be listed.
From dispute yes. On 29/5.
121 your lordship. 21 your lordship.
21 my lord.
This is only from Dispur.
Maybe but my lord.
But if it is not collected,
Yes.
then we have to send a message.
On 29/5 my lord. On the
Because
day, my lord.
29/5 it will be too late your lordship. Because
10 days my lord it will. Otherwise my lord there are materials against the accused person.
Go back to
Yes.
if we not receive.
Yes.
Then 21st, 22nd, it may not be.
May not be.
Outer Monday, what is the Monday date? Then we make it on 27th.
Yes. 20 my lord.
Monday?
Monday.
Yes.
Yes. 27.
27. It's not there.
My Krishna Lordship, this is a 439 application.
Yes.
And FIR is on page 13. Lordship on the last occasion heard the matter. Page 13.
Item number
15. Page 13, annexure 1.
15 my lord, case diary not received. My
But here, Lordship, they are in jail from last 61 days. And Lordship has heard the matter on the last occasion. And there are so many sections was inserted by the police where Lordship has found that there are some sections may not be implicable in this. Only the pushing and scuffle between the police and the other party. May I read the FIR again? Lord? Oh, 61 days they are in jail. And this is not the murder or other heinous crime. Only FIR reflect that on the uniform and because of that she fall in the floor and only scuffle and pushing between the police and the. And today is 61 days.
may not be a my lord case of my lord murder, may they in a pre-planned manner in a group my lord attack those police personnel, not
But-
only torn their uniforms also my lord vandalized the my lord departmental vehicle also my lord.
But no medical report. They are intentionally delayed the filing of the case diary, Lordship.
So no medical report.
How he can
You have
my
not-
lord?
you
Yes,
have not
case diary is
annexed-
not available with how he can come to know that my
No
lord.
medical report, how can you say? I don't know.
No, actually in the FIR after
Otherwise,
the
my lord, this type of
brief case of
offences are continuously going on. These people in a pre-planned manner in a group, my lord, attack police personnel. This is not a single incident, my lord. Continuously, my lord,
Yes.
this type of incident going on, and this is pre-planned, my lord.
But they are in jail from last 61 days. This is one of the aspect of the case. It is not that they are just arrested. 61 days they are in jail. So what remains, Lordship?
Yes, considering length of year, I will leave it
Length
to your
of-
lordship, my lord. But otherwise, my lord,
Yes.
may not be a murder, but my lord, they attack the police personnel, my lord, and
The what? The are prepared. prevalent is frequently in the society with some treatment where the where the people attack the person in a pre-planned manner, obstructing them from doing their own. However, there will be some restrictions in your order will be there that such kind of activities should not be again repeated by. Otherwise, you are granting bail only
Yes.
considering the
Yes, some observation maybe.
only considering the language. It is the case from which district?
Karimganj.
ठीक है.
All right.
May please, Your Lordship. Lordship, if Your Lordship recalls, then this matter pertains to Section 395 of the COIT.
Dharamtul PS 824.
Dharamtul PS
Today is 90 days. Only. That is
Days we can
90
see.
days.
Saddam, he was one of the.
Yes, ma'am. He is one of the, my lord, owner of the truck, my lord. Initially, he took the ground that, my lord, this is the vehicle of one Rasidul Islam, but later on during investigation, it came to know that
His
vehicle.
prayer was earlier rejected, I think.
Yes,
no,
Lordship.
Yes, earlier rejected.
Earlier rejected.
Hard. Also hard. What? Otherwise, we received CD also? No.
Yes, my lord.
CD we have received.
The CD earlier received, but now, my lord, returned back for update.
Not.
No, CD is not available.
That what
89 days, no? Today is 89 days. Mm.
89 days ago. According to 94, since we were considering sanctification, 89 days ago. Mr. What and other considering the implementation that considering who is deferred since that's 90, prayer. That's good. CGM Morigaon, I think.
Yes, well, CGM.
Okay. You'll be enlarged.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
मतलब 438 bail application मतलब I am in interim bail
No,
मतलब
CD not received, my lord, in this.
He did not receive.
CD not received.
Yes,
On 11th of June, my lord, 11/6.
11.
interim
Maybe.
हवले
Dada, 20.
25, sir.
I'm for the informant, my lord. After some time, my lord, my senior is coming.
So one affidavit was there.
Yes.
Who submitted morning hour?
Yes, yes. It has come on the record, my lord.
Oh, you have filed, na?
Yes, my lord.
That is already in the record, Lordship.
No, we have received now.
It has come, my lord.
Yes, Lordship.
Just come.
Maybe after sometimes my senior is coming, his legs in the other course, ma'am. I don't know.
One case there is there, you know.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, in this case, Lordship, interim order was granted, Lordship. Pursuant to that, Lordship, the petitioners appeared and statements have been recorded, Lordship. FIR, Lordship, is at page number 14, Annex 1. Annex 1, Lordship.
In this case, updated case there will be required because entry I have seen, last entry is November 23. November 2023, and he was granted interim in March 24, I think.
Yes,
6th of
Lordship.
March.
Interim was granted on 20th of March, Lordship.
So, his statements are not there, the case diary. And we received the case diary. It was sent to us on 14th of May without getting it updated.
So as
Let
per
it-
your instruction, their statement, they have
Yes,
already
yes, Lordship. We appear. Our statements have been recorded. Otherwise, Lordship may call for the up-to-date case diary also, Lordship.
But from the medical report, medical examination report, my lord, 326 will come. Fracture nose, both the my lord, nasal bone has been fractured, and my lord, the victim was attacked with stone. My lord.
Let the up-to-date case diary be called for, Lordship. We have appeared, Lordship.
Heard Mr. M. Ahmed.
Yes, Lordship.
Heard Mr. M. Ahmed. Heard Mr. B. Sharma. Draft. Submitted by Mr. Ahmed that in after obtaining their split on 23 they have already submitted and their statements are recorded and their statements are already recorded under 6 it's already recorded 131 but Mr. that the statements of these students are not case diary and case diary and the last note of entry in the case diary is on November 2023. So the interim order was passed on 23 2000 and that is subject that the updated case diary is required. So, return the case diary and call for the case updated case diary according along with medical report. And till then, the case diary until then the no and fixed case report
On the 7th of June.
7th of June.
Interim to continue. Highly obliged.
22 million, I'm sorry, case diary is not received, my lord. They are on interim, I think, you know.
You are on interim.
Yes, madam.
City not interim be extended. It's according. Yes, that one be listed.
On 7th June, my lord.
Obliged, madam.
23 case diary is there, you know.
May it please your lordship. This case has become infructuous, lordship. He was already arrested. There was no interim. Date I cannot say, but during election he was arrested. Would you go here?
So as per your submission, most probably the guardian, especially the father of the
They executed an agreement for marriage with the victim, lordship, and he was in Delhi at that time, lordship. She was murdered and hanged in a tree, lordship. It was my case, lordship. Now he was arrested. She is my own aunt's daughter, the victim, lordship. And the stepmother
But
was
mother was stepmother, right?
no, earlier mother was my aunt, and now stepmother tortured her. So there was an agreement on attaining majority. I will marry her, lordship, And at that,
Then, as per you, who committed murder?
Lordship,
Jan's family.
our case is that, Lordship, we are in Delhi, we have no idea what happened. We are suspecting stepmother. But Lordship,
Most probably, as per your
Injury in
mission,
injury in the private part is also there. Injury in the near the ear, that is also there. The hanging position I have seen, that cannot be a case of hanging. In the body of the tree, she appears to have hanged herself.
maybe she
But
was
that is
murdered
not
then
possible
hanged.
from the position of the photograph. Completely. This is a case
from her supposition, most probably, I can remember that he is a stepmother, so notice the
To be served to the father of the victim, Lordship. So we served notice to father and mother. Maybe they are not appearing, Lordship. We have taken 2 times steps, Lordship. As there was no interim, he was taken into custody, Lordship. Now he will admit whatever.
Want to show us something, Mr. Dutt?
My lord.
What is
Yes, I wanted to. Harry.
Maybe there is a rape, allegation of rape also.
Rape was
So
also.
after rape,
First
she was
photograph
murdered,
shows-
then hanged, maybe.
First photograph shows, my lord, this is not self-hanging. Body of the tree, the knot is, my lord, in the body of the tree. No, Harry. Penetration of the injury also.
How old she was?
She was 16 years, alleged.
In the affidavit, in the affair itself, the age was mentioned.
Unfortunate.
16 years, Lordship, in the affidavit itself.
Hard joke. The subsequent during the pendency of the petition, the petition got
Your Lordship may record that it become infectious, Lordship, as
yes, already added. Infectious only we have.
Lordship?
On being infectious, it is.
Lordship. Obliged.
Statement.
24 receipt CD.
My lord, yes. Total Mandan after 6.
6. And FIR Lordship is at page number 18, Lordship. All the petitioners are on interim bail, Lordship.
Yeah, all have appeared, my lord. No such injury report also. All have appeared. All statement, their statement recorded. 6. But there are conflict regarding a land. आवाज हुआ रास्ता लोई बेलक. All have appeared, my lord. And no such money stated in the FIR recovered, and no injury also.
They are on 24. Hard to strike and it are not so hard to take it for that. It's an the theory and all the talk of the academic project only for the part order was released. However, after obtaining the interim period bail, all the petitioners are already appeared to the act. And their statements under Section 151 CRPC are also being reported. Full stop. They are still ready and willing to cooperate in further case. If they are not Mr. Coach, Mr. Coach, that all the petitioners are cooperating with case. And from material is that and the earliest incident that happened was for the road. However, the is that all the may be run considering the and considering both set comma method availability case the contractor case. I find that the present will not are not necessary for the purpose of and according the order of interim period dated 2004 the other
Highly applied.
$25 million charge sheet submitted. CS number 29/2024.
Yes, 29.
29/24. Dated 31/3/24.
May I please, Your Lordship? My Lord,
Are you on interim?
interim, my Lord.
You were interim. As per interim, you have appeared before I
Appeared, my Lord.
Okay. CS is already submitted.
My Lord.
Mr. A.M. Corbin, K.K. Parak, case was fixed today for this side, but this Mr. Parak, that case has already been granted 5/24. It is 31. And it was to make that in this context, Mr. Corbin started submitted that how many petitions were there? 4, 6.
Yes, my Lord.
All the petitions are already I obtaining the paid dated 23. Considering the purpose and considering the fact that the case has already been granted, the present petitions are hereby directed to appear before the learned trial court with an appropriate application for bail for irregular bail, which may be considered in accordance with 10 days of an exception. 10 days of the granted to the petitioner dated 23/2024. So 10 days here we have given.
15 days, my Lord.
Why 15
5%, my Lord. 5%, my Lord, they will go together, my Lord. 15.
5% will go together. Definitely go together.
Malad.
I will go from my home. He will go
Yes.
from his home.
10 days, my Lord.
Yes. This project. 10 days.
Till then, my Lord, interim.
Yes.
Yes, continue. Diploma.
My Lordship.
Yes.
430th application, Lordship. FIR is at page 14, Lordship.
Page 14.
Yes,
Yes, that we have received.
It is our interim day appear, Lordship. Page 14 is the FIR, Lordship. May I read, Lordship?
Yes.
বিদিত সন্মানপূৰ্বক নিবেদন এই যে আজি ইংৰাজী 9/2/2024 তাৰিখে নিশা প্ৰায় 8 বজাত মই ৰতনপুৰ চকৰ পৰা নিজ ঘৰলৈ গৈ থকা অৱস্থাত তলত নাম উল্লেখ কৰা পদকীয়া দুজনে আগৰ পৰা চুপি থাকি এন্ধাৰৰ সুযোগ লৈ মোৰ পদূলিৰ মুখত নিজৰ মটৰ চাইকেলখন ৰখাই মূৰৰ পিছফালৰ পৰা গধুৰ বস্তুৰে কোবাই পিঠি আৰু আঙাটত কোবাই গুৰুতৰ জখম কৰে। মই চিঞৰ বাখৰ কৰাত পদকীয়া দুজনে দৌৰি পলায়ন কৰে। This is the affair, Lordship. Actually, there are some business rivalry between them, Lordship. And on that day, they went to Guwahati, Lordship, for their business purpose, Lordship. And thereafter, Lordship, some person may also beaten them, Lordship. But thereafter, what happened? They went to my house, Lordship. Petitioner number 2's house also. Thereafter, the mother of the petitioner, they assaulted the mother of the petitioner number 2, Lordship. And in this respect, the mother of the petitioner number 2 also filed an FIR, Lordship. And that is page 22, Lordship. On that day, these two persons were not at that place of occurrence, Lordship. And as per interim order, they appeared, Lordship, statement also recorded, Lordship. Page 20 is the affair which is filed by the mother of the petitioner number 2, Lordships.
Who got injured there? Who sustained injury in your case?
Actually, mother of the petitioner number 2, Lordship.
She sustained injury.
Lordship. May I read the affair, Lordship? Page 20.
No. Yes. You are appealing for whom?
I am for the informant.
Huh?
I am for the informant.
Here, Malad, injury is grievous, Malad, by heavy object, Malad. When he is coming by his motorcycle, they stop the motorcycle in front of their house, 2 persons, both the petitioner, Malad, and attack with heavy object, and thereby, Malad, his left hand broken, and other part of injury there, Malad. He is in hospital, in Mongolda Civil Hospital, subsequently referred to GMCH. In GMCH, he is admitted from 16 to 21 to 6 days in GMCH. 6 days in GMCH, near the ulnar region, left hand broken. And totally 2 pieces,
Oh.
hand. And for their operation was there, and he is in hospital for 6 days, GMCH. As per his statement, these 2 persons attack him with heavy object. That is not mentioned what is heavy object. And this is anticipatory bail, objection regarding this. Heavy object, dangerous weapon, 326 grievous hurt is there. And enmity, their affair is subsequent to that. They have done this, and subsequently they went to close the account. This anticipatory bail,
You have an objection.
Objection.
320 may not be come, Lordship. 320, section 320 may not become, Lordship, because heavy object, that means sharp weapon, Lordship. That may not. What kind of weapons he has not mentioned, Lordship.
Dangerous weapon definition is not there. Injury is there. Dangerous weapon, means 326, shooting, stabbing, all this, any instrument which weapon or like used as a weapon or offense is likely to cause death. If the heavy weapon they have used is broken the hand in 2 pieces, that may cause death. Also, it's not like that every weapon should be a sharp weapon.
Actually, interrogation may not be recorded, Lordship. They appeared statement recorded, Lordship. They are young youth, Lordship. Some rivalry is there, and they on that day they were at Guwahati, Lordship. On suspicion, why not kindly see if his hand broken 2 pieces. He went to the petition number 2's home, Lordship, and he also assaulted the mother of petition number 2, Lordship. His hand 2 pieces, broken 2 pieces, Lordship. How he went to the petition number 2 home, Lordship.
This is your case.
Lordship.
This is your case.
That
yes,
Lordship is also not available. That his case. But as per the medical evidence, he was taken to Mongolda Civil Hospital, subsequently referred to GMCH, and GMCH he is in 6 days.
Yes.
The blow was to his head, and he saved the blow by his hand, and therefore his hand was broken. So this was the injury, low load. So they may not be released on bail. I am accepting the statement of the APP.
Actually, the blow was on his head.
Yes, it was on his head. He saved it by his hand, and therefore his hand was broken. Otherwise, his head would have died also.
kindly consider how a broken-handed person went to the home petition number 2 lordships.
That is his
It is your false story, Lord.
It is your-
Therefore, their FIR is false. They made a false FIR.
That FIR also
broken hand or whatever, that is your case only.
there is no lordship, but then I have filed my FIR lordship before the police lordship. And my lord,
fine, but this is not.
and
That
they also
FIR is,
appear lordship, statement also recorded.
that
Custody
is-
interrogation may not be required lordship.
294 325. That affair.
Yes. Statement after statement lordship. Custody interrogation may not be required lordship.
Regarding custody.
One thing is that, my lord, yes, my lord. I'm sorry, my lord. There is a objection from the IO dated 30th of April. One point is that bail objection. It is reportedly learned that the accused persons are decreed by they have been threatening the informant to withdraw the case, and this is one of the objections, my lord, from the side of the IO. Now, if you enlarge on bail, and then, my lord, on interim bail, they are threatening the IO informant to withdraw the case. If enlarge on bail, they can do any extent. So, at this stage, my lord.
Police also has not recovered any articles or subject that the persons sustained by that article of chips. Police has not recovered any article of chips. That sub article of chips.
You are Mr. R. Sharma, did not on behalf of the informed stated Mr. Hope that it's the thought that talk about them only business private rather the accused rather the informant that always but she also had thousand five but it's subject protected life and corporate safety and their statement of record one and their speed treatment before I important if they are done it not Mr. Paran done and anybody that's how they assault the him from the when it was come right and for that assault the previous object his left hand broken it at the reason of Allah reason and for immediate was taken Mongol civil hospital where he was referred and was to get and was that dead for 21 most of the that there was a state of I stated that still setting the comment and asking the project and then submitted a majority and according to the not case to grant the privilege of the granting Mr. Sharma granted on from the speaker that their intention of the was to keep the victim, however, and the law was and it was the aim of the petitioner was hit on the head of the wicket. However, somehow the somehow he brought it and over his forehead, sustained injury on his fracture injury on his head, and he saved her life somehow. The body submitted a where the execution from and it is according and he raised in allowed in with years. Getting that not with that option with that I find that the and getting and and the temporary or temporary also cannot be denied. I did not find it's fit to the present and according to the and would stop the interim, the order of interim period fit dated 27. If petitions can rejected, the interim is vacant.
Time applied. May please, your lordship. Lordship, this matter will be taken out of the sometime, my lord. Obligement.
If we have received the CD there,
My lord, please. As per earlier order, my lord, petitioner appeared on 22/4/2024.
you are on interim.
Interim. Yes, my lord, appeared statement recorded and PM report also received, my lord.
What PM report?
Yes, PM report. Due to, my lord, death was due to syncope as a result ventricular fibrillation following electrocution, my lord. Electrocution during life.
It's related to an electrical accident.
So how they are, I mean, they are the electrical, how they are.
The present petitioner is actually, my lord, he is a, my lord, government employee under, my lord,
APDCL. Lineman.
My lord. At that point of time, he, along with the other, my lord, victimized persons,
was
were
there.
working. At that point of time, suddenly, my lord, somebody has connected the electrical line while, my lord, that work is going on.
But the present petitioner was along
Present
with the
petitioner
victim.
Was there. He was there.
Thereafter, my lord, some incident happens, my lord, there, my lord, happened there that some of the, my lord, local public also, my lord, assaulted the present petitioner also because they, my lord, apprehended that suspected because of the, my lord, negligence of the present petitioner that, my lord, the helper was died, my lord, due to electrocution.
He was in ICU after the mass beating.
No,
So-
he is appeared statement recorded.
But the only question is that regarding his negligence, he was along with the victim at that time.
At that point in time, actually, my lord, while he was working there at that point of time, he took the help of some, my lord, as per the, my lord, FIR lost by the, my lord, other person, my lord. He was the local person at that in that area. Those, my lord, victimized disease persons. While, my lord, the present petitioner took the help of those persons at that point of time, my lord. Maybe due to, my lord, for what reason or negligence, it is difficult to say, my lord. Somebody has connected the electric line, and, my lord, those, my lord.
It's very unfortunate accident, my lord, but there is no involvement of the petitioner. May I submit my?
So now it cannot be said, but at this point of time, my lord, he appeared, statement recorded. But whether his involvement is there or not, my lord.
How can he is a lineman, my lord. Electric connection can be done only from the control room, my lord. He was there with the workers, and they were working under the contractor, my lord. He was just supervising, and he cannot reconnect the line, my lord. It is done from the control room.
Whether for his negligence something happened or not, my lord, that will come later on, my lord.
it was rather and it was covered by the court and from that 14 and going by control, going to the contact by going to the control. However, he already appeared before the eye after obtaining the space. They went to 04 and it got recorded on but planet but what is the word? Electrocution.
Electric.
Of and the petitioner also appeared before and voted of the what confident where hearing cause of another and according to the order of the statement 04 thereby the of the
Granted.
done.
Obliged. Where please, sir? CD was called for.
CD received 30 and 31 my lord, same case.
30 and 31.
31 my lord.
Yeah, in both the cases, you are appealing.
Yes. The petitioner, Noor Sheikh is a minor. Kindly see page
Maulavi Sheikh,
minor.
full Maulavi Sheikh. Noor Nabi Sheikh.
Noor Sheikh.
So why then you have filed the petition of PRS bill?
Police
You
start
can
saying
file.
police start saying to arrest
The
the
police will
petitioner.
not arrest them, my lord. There are procedure, my lord, how a child
How
has to
you are,
be
if
dealt.
he is a child still, then how can he
No,
file a petition?
my lord, police start saying me.
Searching maybe is different thing. You can approach the juvenile court or the learned court
Yes,
below with a similar kind of petition.
Interim bill.
Once you are saying that he is a juvenile, otherwise you are praying for anticipatory. What is
And my lord, there are other accused also, my lord, found to be in that case also one Motin Mirza. And accordingly, by following due procedure, my lord, police says, my lord, he was kept in, my lord, child care, my lord, as per the provision of the, my lord.
Oh, he has already prayed in child care.
No,
Then
no,
why?
not the present.
another
Other
guy.
accused is also, was also, my lord, one.
Motin Mirza. He was arrested.
In order, by
But-
order dated 25th of April, the prosecution was directed to take instructions whether police is searching for the juvenile to arrest. It was the direction from the court, and then again on the next date,
Interim order passed.
I don't know on what basis the interim order was passed.
No, there, my lord, if police is searching for that, my lord, accused person, if anyway, my lord, if he is found to be a juvenile, then as per the procedure, my lord, definitely, my lord, police will keep him, my lord, as per the procedure of.
He will, according to he will appear.
Yes,
As
ma'am.
per you, how old he is?
16 years. Yes, ma'am. He has passed the ACLS examination in this year.
Whatever. But the allegation is 366A.
Yes, my lord.
What to do?
Victim,
Victim is minor, Your Lordship 164. Your Lordship may kindly peruse last page of the case diary, my lord.
Lordship.
And 164 statement and 161 statement of the my lord.
Victim is there.
As per FIR, victim is a minor, is 16 years, my lord. But she is not my lord, my lord.
This is a note of the IO.
Yes, my lord. Then 164 statement is also available. That is, my lord.
My lord, in another, the informant file another FIR against other person, my lord.
Other one is also a CCL.
Yes, kindly.
Other accused is also, I mean, whatever, he is also CCL. Motin Mirza.
Yes, Motin Mirza, yes.
Motin
Mirza is not before the,
this
is not the petitioner, right?
No, he is not the petitioner. He has already been apprehended
Yes,
as a CCL.
yes.
He has already.
Yes. Minor tak এগুলো ফলো করব না minor.
My lord,
victim was minor, my lord.
Victim is not a minor,
Birth certificate is available, my lord.
Available, but kindly see this order, my lord. The informant file FIR against other person, my lord. In this case, the accused person was get acquittal, my lord. In South, that case was lost in South Salma PS. My lord.
Your lordship may kindly also peruse 164 statement of the victim first. It is, my lord, very difficult to know.
My lord,
to read.
Kindly see the judgment I submit here.
Judgment will come later.
Page 3, my lord. South Salma PS case number 126, 2022. And in the course examination, Giyasuddin, the father of the victim, stated in page 4 of the judgment. Kindly see last from the bottom. In the cross examination, the PWD deposed that his daughter.
Yes.
Now he thinks that he is juvenile or whatever that.
If, my lord, he is found to be juvenile, then definitely police will taken care of, my lord, as per the requirement of the law, my lord. But it cannot be said that only because he is a juvenile, my lord, he cannot commit the offence, my lord.
No, commitment is serious.
Yes, my lord. There are many such.
His statement is where his statement. He appeared before the IO. After obtaining the interim. It's not here.
Statement not available in the case.
Statement is not available. So have you appeared before the IO?
Yes, my lord. But
not here,
but I was not available due to the election duty, my lord.
Your statement is not here.
Yes, my lord. I submitted
Rather, you were searched by police. You were
certificate
not found.
already submitted, but I was not available due to the election duty. My lord, one thing kindly see that
In that case, he is not cooperating also.
Yes.
my lord, victim is not a minor, my lord. Kindly see the judgment.
If she is not a minor, then
He minor, my lord. Birth certificate is available.
Available, but kindly see the judgment. I submitted the judgment. Please.
Whatever. If she is not a minor even, then can you do such thing with her?
Yes.
Even if she is not a minor, suppose she is a major girl, how can you take her to a hotel and out the 3-4 persons were committing rape on her? Can it be done to a major girl also, as per your submission? She may not be minor, so what is this? May not be minor. Then what will happen?
My lord.
No, nothing will happen. If she may be a major or minor, whatever. What your petitioner is doing, you see that at the first. He is the main culprit of the entire incident.
No, my
now
lord.
we are saying he is juvenile. I cannot say he is juvenile or not. What how can I say?
Same case, my lord. She his informant is use the her girl to earn money. Yes,
What same case?
Yeah, kindly see. Same, not other case. Kindly see
This one?
judgment, my lord.
What can I do?
Other case.
No, we are on bail now.
Ah.
Then we are on bail now. She may not be a minor, major maybe. So what is this harm? You cannot do such thing with a minor or major, whatever. Earlier, initially it was 366. Then later on, the materials in the FI is not 366. It's more than 366. Whatever, 370, 366, 376, all are there. Those will come now. It's a very serious case of marriage. Now his statement is not available. That means he is not cooperating.
Yes.
So you're not cooperating, DIO.
I submit, my lord.
What submit?
Due to election duty, he cannot record the statement.
His submission will not do, my lord, this case.
But he is taking a plea. On what basis he is taking the plea of juvenile?
Yes, my lord.
That has to be considered. We are not supposed to hear the matter on juvenile, whether he is a juvenile or not.
My lord, due to election duty,
can it be given a one chance to appear before the IO? He is saying
Yes.
that he is not free due to IO.
Yes, madam.
Major or minor will come later.
The victim was, my lord, taken to from Mankasar to Guwahati, raped
Yes,
in a
yes.
hotel.
Very
Thereafter, my lord, not only, my lord,
initially I
3-4
thought that it's a
persons.
matter of case 366.
They are again taken to, my lord, Borpeta. They are also, my lord, kept in a hotel. And there are also, my lord, she was raped, my lord.
2-3 persons are there.
And later on, police recovered from Borpeta, my lord.
And in a
Very
pre-planned
false
manner,
case,
he
my lord.
along with the other, whatever juvenile,
Yes.
minor, whatever,
Yes.
they took leave.
Yes.
Maybe a TCL or may not be.
My lord, if
One, so AB is one for Noor.
No,
And other one,
other one, Shazur Mia,
his statement is also not available.
not available. Both the person petitioner submitted
Interim, yeah.
certificate copy of the bill interview order.
Heart Mr. You are Mr.
Yes, I can.
Heart Mr. Yes, I can eke hobe jate. So heart Mr. Keyboard. Lagi. City seat. Wait, that the statement of the accused petitioner is not that though he was granted which the interim period failed. Height ordered it 26/4/2004. Eki hope that in this context, Mr. Akan demanded that they appeared before the IO, but their statement could not be, but their statement was not recorded by the IO, as the IO was for according to him, maybe so that their statement can be authentic. On the interim bail granted, had ordered it 26/4/2024 is hereby the next set of the secretary appear before I and get their statement account. This according call for the update is that according yes.
On 13th of June, my
You that till that your interim will be extended and within 7 days you appear before the IO and get your statement account.
May I plead your lordship? CD was received. My lord, my senior is in another court. Please pass over the matter for next week.
He is in another court, so next week, why you need 1 week? 1 week?
Sound difficult.
Sorry, my lord. May matter will be taken up on Monday, my lord.
So you are not ready. That. So
And
CD
is there, man. And also medical injury report.
Yeah. Mr. K. Matter accordingly. Monday can be possible or Monday list is already out.
Tuesday or Wednesday.
Tuesday.
Interim order shall continue.
Interim was there. Interim pick 21.
Hello.
My lord, in this case, the CD was called for. So, code 38, my lord.
33, my lord, CD is not received, my lord. It is sent back, my lord.
So, may I,
Yes.
my lord, may I pray, my lord, one thing, my lord. Your lordship will see this annexure 34, page 34, that my mother earlier also said the mother is a cancer patient. I have to take her to the outside, my lord. So I need only 15 days time, my lord. So your lordship will protect me. And even then, my lord, if your lordship goes through the FIR, there's no indictments of 467 and 468, my lord. Because I helped her in getting the loan from the bank. She has admitted that. And the amount was deposited in her account, my lord. And how I have withdrawn money under 467, 468, my lord. If your lordship goes through the FIR, please have a look
I'm
through
paying
them.
for just 2-3 days, my lord, because it is from Guwahati, my lord. Let it be on Tuesday, my lord.
You may get at Tuesday.
Yes.
Tuesday.
Tuesday, good.
হেল্প কৰি দিছে পইচাটো ওলাবৰ কাৰণে ইনষ্টলমেণ্ট দিব পৰা নাই তাক চাই দিছে
Accept, yeah. 35. Appear 1 night. Can you quit court or can you correct again? Again you call this one is happening.
My lord, FIR at page 8, my lord. Thirty-seven.
CD received, my lord.
Yeah, 37.
37. My lord, allegation against me is that when Abdul Barik lodged an FIR, alleging that I mentally tortured his son and ultimately he committed suicide by living a suicidal life. That is the case, my lord. The fact is this, my lord. I am a law graduate, my lord. Not yet enrolled, but likely to enroll as an advocate. And on social media, I came in contact with with the son of the informant, and he introduced himself as a pharmacist and proposed on social media to marry, and I had agreed at that time. But subsequently, when we interacted with each other, we met in City Mall. Then I came to know that the boy is not even a pharmacist; he is also a drug addict, and I am a law graduate, my lord. So I refused the marriage proposal. I said that I cannot marry you, and that is the reason. And for that reason, perhaps
his father has lodged the FIR saying that I mentally tortured her. My lord, refusal to marry does not amount to torture, my lord. Moreover, my lord, I am resident of Barpeta district and the boy is resident of Morigaon district. There is delay of 13 days also lodging the FIR, my lord. And in FIR, my lord, my address is also not correctly mentioned. Is also not correctly mentioned, my lord. Even the name of village is not properly mentioned, my lord. There is no, my lord, instant. There is this practical abatement to commit suicide. There is no abatement on my part. Abatement must be, my lord, instant. But here, contact is on social media. I refused to marry. Thereafter, he committed suicide on a bridge, my lord, where people are moving, going. And in a cool mind, he has committed suicide by hanging himself. That cannot be a torture from my side, my lord.
The CD reflects, my lord, that they are prior, my lord, they are in relationships, my lord. But when the relationship break down, my lord, thereafter, as per his version, my lord, there is a, my lord, note also, dying declaration, suicide note, my lord. Here he stated that due to torture and since he abused her, so he committed suicide, my lord. So that is how, my lord, he implicated the present petitioner, my lord. This is. May I say that Lordship may kindly go to the suicide note, my lord. Some of the flags there.
My lord, affairs I am not denying. There was exchange of chats, messages, photographs also. That I am not denying, my lord. But to accept the marriage proposal, that is question of life, my lord. He initially introduced me as a pharmacy, saying that he has a pharmacy, but he even does not have the pharmacy license, my lord. And not a proper pharmacy, my lord. Some medicines he is selling.
Without knowing anything, my lord, they started the affair, my lord. And now they are saying that he is not an. First, you should have ascertained that who is he, my lord. But you don't do that, and after that, you just abandon the boy, my lord. That cannot be, my lord.
Abandoning a boy also just to refuse to marry is not any illegally, my lord. When I came to know about his antecedent, about his proper particulars, my lord, because I came in contact with him on social media, my lord. And later on, when we met in City Mall, my lord, then we personally interacted with each other. And there I came to know that from his attitude, I came to know that he is a drug addict also. From some other persons I inquired, I came to know that he is drug addict. And there I came to know that he is not a pharmacist, even does not have the pharmacy. They don't have any license for pharmacy also, my lord. For pharmacists, he must have a pharmacist degree, my lord. Either B Pharma or D Pharma, like that. Listen, I am not denying. But acceptance of marriage probably is a question of life, my lord. Yes. And I am an unmarried guy, I am a law graduate, my lord. I cannot spoil my life. And my lord, on the last occasion, my lord, I have also submitted one judgment, my lord. If that is in record, I can give another copy of that.
Yes, 2008 of Mariano.
Yes.
I have. What do you want to submit?
Paragraph 38, huh? Paragraph 38, my lord. Paragraph 38. At page number 9 of the judgment, my lord. This court has time and again reiterated that before convicting an accused under section 30 IPC, the court must scrupulously examine the facts and circumstances of the case and also assess the evidence adduced before it in order to find out whether cruelty and harassment meted out to the victim had left the victim with no other alternative but to put an end to her life. It also seemed to be borne in mind that in cases of alleged abetment of suicide, there must be proof of direct or indirect acts of incitement to the commission of suicide. Merely on the allegation of harassment without there being any positive action proximate to the time of occurrence on the part of the accused, which led or compelled to the person to suicide, conviction term successive is not sustained, my lord. My lord, he has committed suicide over the bridge, my lord, by hanging. I was not with him at that point of time. So there is no direct incitement to commit suicide, my lord.
Hard strategy model and hard strategy to epic present the fact that the entrepreneur as well as the victim got each other thereafter they had developed love. But when and when the girl when the accused became known, accused with an advocate by public with an advocate by public came to know that the
Not advocate, my lord, but he
Yes,
has passed
law graduate, law graduate.
law graduate
Law.
law graduate came to know that it's not he is not a pharmacist, not even a
Yes, maybe even not a pharmacist and not have a proper pharmacy, my lord. No pharmacy license.
and then he started that him and as he can consider her life and as he cannot spoil her life marrying a person who is not having a requisite or qualification for a job. In context, Mr. Modi regarded for the also relied on concept export. Export reported in 2020 live job at 834. Mariano Andro, Bruno, and another title versus so and so, and submitted that the merely allegation of harassment without there being any positive action proximate to the time of occurrence on the part of which state or compel the person to commit suicide. There cannot be any consequence which is not typically stressed on. Emphasize on para 38 of the 30. He further submitted that the petitioner is from Borpeta and the petitioner is from Morika, and when the incident happened, he completed that on the free and thus the possibility happened to the Morelia, this is completely approximate cost of appeared that the assessment from the on part of this for committee that is this accordingly he submitted that and again, however he supposed to have the I in further for Mr. Planet that there are and the apart from that there is a suicide from the seed which is recovered by I from where it clearly submitted that thought and made by the president with whom he had a lab at stake such a step for ending his own life. More so, he submitted that I want to submit his bail objection and very indicated that if tempering of it granted privilege of additional 50 days of subject not at all applicable to vaccine related to quick. About considered and it seems that and it that the it just brought in unity investigation study more particular from suicide note of it that he purchased it it of the sort of from it whom he had a habit and there does be the allegation of can consider as a proximate cause of death of positive extent of proximate can consider as a positive proximate time of on the part of who said who completely with his commitment because of her factor. Find that he completely equal honor some of the fact of the kid. It's not like wait, the present your petition stands rejected.
Hello?
Your petition stands rejected. Time to get out. 1 second. You were not there in the morning hours. We kept this one for you.
Your Lordship, I was there. I was legs in other court, Your Lordship, there during that time.
Someone should be there because it was
My mistake, Your
your
Lordship, my mistake.
your application was in the number 5 on 5 number item number 5 was there, no?
My mistake, Your Lordship.
So yes. Tell us
For
what is this
439 bail application, Your Lordship. The petitioner has been in custody since 35 days. Your Lordship, FIR is at page number 11.
I'll get the CD money for 48,376.
370.
376 is also.
However, Lordship, they were known acquaintances to each other, and they belong to the same village, Your Lordship. And the petitioner entered her house at 9 p.m. Provided in the FIR itself, Your Lordship. May I read the FIR?
Then it's okay. He may not be known to her. Then what happened?
Yes.
He may not known to. He may not be a known person to her. But the
Yes.
allegation is there. That is
Yes.
only. So let us see if your custody is for 35 days. They are trying to get it. Yes, water for any.
On 29 third month.
29. List of 14. They are trying to get it right.
Oblige.
My lord, 12, my lord, as per my instruction, yes, already there, but my lord, due to some mistake, my lord, IO has probably, my lord, they want to file the search sheet CD taken back. So if because my lord, IO can also produce the case diary on any date, my lord, as per the convenience of your lordship, my lord, next week.
Next week.
Next week.
Next week or what week?
Next week on 5th of June, my lord.
Monday, right?
Monday.
Monday, because already 70 days behind the bar, lordship. On Monday,
Yes, that is why he is already 70 days behind the
Oh, yes.
on Monday, lordship, finally.
They may reach, may not.
Monday on Tuesday, my lord, 28th.
It will be on Tuesday, may not.
Tuesday.
20, 20, 21.5?
Yes, my lord.
It will be 21.5?
Yes, 21.5 now.
20, at least on 20.
I'm deeply.
So, you will get you will retain the case diary or?
Well,
case diary
I'll get
will be-
the FSL report, or if my police file charge sheet, then I'll get the instruction.
No, case diary is still with us or?
No, my lord, they're not available.
Return.
Yes.
Well, as per your lordship order, on last of your lordship was pleased to retain the case diary, lordships.
But somehow it has been
Yeah.
communicated most probably they have returned the case diary.
So, my lord,
It was the order for retaining one,
lordship.
but I don't know when there may be some miscommunication, so it was returned.
Yes, my lord.
Actually, it is, if you rightly submitted that it was a order for retaining this case.
Lordships, yes. I'm deeply.
20.
My lord,
20. Other one was
my lord,
for the informant side. You are there?
My lord.
my lord, may I say one thing, my lord? Here, Mohanto sir was appearing in the last occasion, and
Who?
today just now
Mohanto.
I got Mohanto sir. So he's some difficulty in appearing today. So if your lordship accommodate him the next week, or as your lordship please.
Our case diary is lying here. So far, my lord,
Case diary we have received today, or it is lying?
No,
for-
it is my lord, from April, 25th of April, my lord. It
25th
is
of
with
April
us.
is lying.
Yes. Now, my lord, here, my lord, out of 4, 3 were granted, my lord, anticipatory rebate, my lord, interim order. Now they have appeared. Now, main accused is, my lord, he is not, as per IO's note, my lord, main accused is Anil Malakar. My lord, he is absconding. Now, other 3 who were granted interim,
Responding in a sense, his prayer for interim was not granted. I think.
not granted.
That's why he's
And
like-
IO is also, yes, IO is also in charge of him. And my lord, as per allegations of the my lord, witnesses, he has inflicted the injury.
Anyway, if he is some difficulty today, then can it be written till Tuesday or Wednesday or Monday? If Mr. Mohanto, the NTS counsel, some difficulty.
Tuesday,
Tuesday night, Wednesday.
ইমান দিনে কেছ দিয়ে ৰাখি
No,
থোৱাটো
Wednesday.
দিগদাৰ নহয়, ইনভেষ্টিগেশ্যন
Only
ষ্টল হৈ আছে।
Only Mongolbar to
Wednesday.
Wednesday lordship.
Okay, হয়নে? কিবা আপত্তি আছে?
20. List on Wednesday is 20.
কিমান তাৰিখ হ'ব Wednesday?
22nd of, it will 22nd of May.
22nd.
And interim granted idea.
Interim to whom is
3 of
granted?
them were granted interim, and that may be continued.
2 and 3.
No.
1, 3 and 4.
Yes, lordship.
Interim that will be for 1, 3 and 4.
Deeply obliged.
Here, Your Lordship, the petitioner was on interim, Your Lordship, and his statement has already been recorded, Your Lordship. He has cooperated with the investigation. The FIR, Your Lordship, Your Lordship may kindly take up the vernacular.
Promise to marry.
Promise to marry, Your Lordship.
He has already appeared.
If promise can be fulfilled, then we will be very happy.
The only thing that victim girl is a married lady with a child.
She is a married lady. Oh, that then it cannot be.
I have already, the petitioner has already got married to someone.
She refused medical also.
"27 Hartwell Airport." See, it is not. Hartwell Airport. That is before not the Hartwell. Peter Martin and the brain on Hartwell. This is a big that in person to it is 4/4/2024. He already appeared I and his statement is also recorded once given step. He is still ready and willing to cooperate, but it is it is granted very big. Sharma that he accepts this cooperative I in the district and considering to make it is not it is petitioner data. This 4/4 your 4/4/2024 was the interim.
Lord.
It will be active.
Lord. Deeply obliged.
CD not received, Lordship.
My lord, a short date may be given from Guwahati GRPS, my lord.
You are not on interim, I think.
No, my lord. Next week, my lord.
Speak to date.
किमान तारीख को date होता है?
Next week is not possible, in fact.
24, Lordship.
24. 24.
Obliged, my
Made with Your Lordship.
I can 8. I can
Made
8.
with, yes, Lordship. In this matter, Lordship, I have challenged the CR proceeding, Lordship. Complaint case, NI Act case was there, Lordship. May be taken this matter on some other day, Lordship. I have to prepare some.
Who is the for the other side? There are three,
Yes,
1, 2,
Lordship.
3, 4.
He was waiting. He said me that his junior will be there, Lordship.
You are there.
Item number
Eight.
8. My lord, I am on behalf of my senior K. Bhuya.
Yep.
My lord, kindly give a short date of
Lordship may list it after 2-3 weeks, Lordship. I have to prepare this case, Lordship. There are some issues, Lordship, whether the authorized signatory can sign the check or not, Lordship. I am the owner of the wine shop and I have given power of attorney to some person to run the shop, Lordship. He signed the check, Lordship. So whether I am
power of attorney, what was the power you have
to run the shop, Lordship.
Only to
In
run the
fact, he is the authorized signatory. There are some decisions of Supreme Court which says, Lordship, even if I am the account holder, authorized signatory signed the Lordship check, the account holder may not be liable in NI Act case, Lordship. So I have to prepare this, Lordship.
It will be listed after 2.
Ma'am.
After 2 weeks, it will be listed. because she
Lordship,
needs some
interim
time.
order passed earlier may continue.
Interim order passed. Okay.
Obliged.
made with your lordship.
This is an application under section 482 CRPC for quashing of an FIR, Your Lordship. The last occasion also CD was called for, but
The scan copy is received, my lord. It is scan copy.
that copy of the CD is there.
Scan copy will do?
Yes, the scan copy is, but here the investigation is up to 2008. So the case is, as per the last note, the case is pending for, my lord, ascertaining who is the owner of the land.
This is a civil dispute, Your Lordship.
Civil
Court will,
dispute.
court,
And he has issued some notice to the suspect officer for ascertaining who is the owner of the land. Then is the last one. And that note is of 2020. So after that, now it will go to us. But is there in the case? So the kind is the senior.
Last, yes. Last part I have seen here.
actually, mutation was granted in our favor. After following the due process, we made an application for mutation.
But that is forgery or not, my lord, that is because the expert FIR land has been sold by the SLD, that must be taken by the owner, that is the idea.
My lord,
Absolutely nothing in the FIR, Your Lordship.
I am for the 4 to 10.
Yeah, what we-
That mutation was done by the petitioners.
Then
After
as
100
the
years
progress
back.
of this is the note of the FIR and the FIR. It is of 2022, 14/7/2020. Thereafter,
Yes.
what is the progress of investigation at present?
Yes, and that is what the
No, as per city last entry is of 14/7/22. Very difficult. Because if some after an inquiry it's found that it was the post or whatever.
Nothing, but any details, but the finding of the iron is nothing.
Oh, it's not. It's nothing is there in fact. No. Show it there.
Updated.
But as per his submission, most probably we are waiting for case diary since.
Many times, Your Lordship. This scan copy has come long back. Thereafter, there has been several orders for bringing the up-to-date case diary, Your Lordship. I don't know whether it is a problem with the office of the PP or the IO is not cooperating. It was last listed on March and then about 1.5 months given to produce the case diary, Your Lordship. I don't know why this case diary is not coming. Purely a case of civil nature, Your Lordship. They are in possession of their land, we are in possession of their land. Only mutation was granted in our favor. He said that by forgery we have done it. And the mutation
This
was
is still under investigation.
still under investigation. Absolutely no criminal ingredients is there, Your Lordship. If Lordship goes to the FIR also, I don't know.
But we need something. Okay.
On many dates, Your Lordship, up-to-date case diary has been called for. If Lordship goes
Yes,
to the...
what do you want? What is your submission?
My submission is the CD is necessary for this. Actually, we are the owner from 200 years ago, and the petitioner's name had been cut by the due to the soul their portion of land about 100 years ago. 1999, their name has been cut due to their sale deed. And in that matter, they have cut our name without even giving notice, etc., on the basis of the FIR that the forgery has been done, 420 has been done, so city is necessary. Update city. My submission is this.
So what IO is doing in fact? Sitting, he is doing nothing in fact. From since
Personal
2022 is
appearance
the last
maybe.
note. Last note is of 2022. That now 2024.
Is there any appeal to the
Deed is not a question at all, Your Lordship. Their question is that our name has been wrongly mutated. We should not be mutated. But that there is a procedure prescribed. By following the procedure, our name is mutated. If they have objection, they may file an appeal before the Deputy Commissioner under Assam Law and Revenue Regulation. There is a provision that for mutation, if there is any grievance,
What the other allegation?
nothing. Only that by forgery we have got our name mutated. But in fact, we have done the mutation by following the procedure of law, Your Lordship. Which document has been forged or what is the forgery? Nothing is there, Lordship. FIR, if Your Lordship goes to the FIR, absolutely nothing, Your Lordship. Even his name is also there in the mutation. Our names have also been included in the mutation.
Their allegation is that you have mutated your name with connivance with the sub-register. Most probably, anyhow, how can it can be mutated? So its name. Land
If
was
they can
not
show
under
that
position
some
line
document we have
in your
forged
name,
or some.
but somehow you managed to mutate your name. That's
Lord.
the allegation.
If he has any grievance at all, there is.
Have you filed any objection before the
We
revenue
have
board?
filed objection before this honorable court on behalf
No,
of.
before this honorable court, not before this. Before the revenue board and all.
No, nothing.
For cancellation of their mutation and all. Have you taken steps that regard? You have not taken. Why?
Immediately after knowing the cause of action, the court of immediately the FIR was done.
FIR was done. Apart from FIR, lodging of FIR, have you taken any other step?
Who was the informant already had died, and on his death, the case is running, and his legal hearings appeared before this honorable court. He has died. After filing the FIR, the informant died.
Even if FIR is there, Your Lordship, it will not lead to cancellation of the mutation. That is a separate chapter, Your Lordship. They have to go for cancellation of the mutation. And
Otherwise, you have to go for cancellation of the mutation, which is you have alleged that it is done behind your back or without having any ownership or right over the land. If that is the case, then you have to go for cancellation of the mutation. But here from cities, nothing is here. Who is the this city is from which state?
Silchar.
Silchar. They have not doing nothing in fact. But the name of the investigation process, they're just sitting nothing and they have not, they did nothing.
even without CDF, Lordship goes to the FIR, I don't know whether Lordship will find anything, any criminal.
It is necessary, and if necessary, the IO may be called personal. Personal appearance may be. Why has not submitted?
Applied matter IO has changed its mind. Now it's the IO at that point of time.
Let the IO come first.
Yes.
That we
Whether the office from the office of the PP this requisition has gone or not, I don't know, Your Lordship. On several occasions, how this can be possible?
Who raised it?
How can it be possible that on so many dates?
Go to the order.
Go by the orders first before submitting it.
Lordship.
That means examining or recording of 2-3 witnesses, they did nothing. Missing.
On the IO.
Mr. M.H.
Lordship.
Part Mr. M.H.
Status report can be called.
Yes. Pardon?
Status report can be
yes.
called, but then we can spend.
M.H. Dr. responsible with Mr. Your Mr.
It's Bhuya.
8 p.m. 8 p.m. That scan copy of the case that okay. But on paper of the say that except recording the numbers of the the IO is nothing in the name of investigation, and the last note is found is dated the is of 14/7/2022, wherein the prayer was sent to Assistant Settlement Officer Silchar Kachar for providing information regarding the ownership of the. Further, it is seen that the scan copy is that is sent by the IO after several petitions made by the race team, and the case is pending for receipt for the case diary since last 17/6/2010. Mr. Dr. Padisab, this is the case of teacher where only education, only education they wrongly mutated the name of the paper behind the back of it. Mr. Abuyat not accountable does not have that CD will be required to progressively to know the fact of the case, and then he submitted that CD will be up to the or containing entire concerning the entire aspect of the IO is never directed by the updated case that cannot be the support case, and it's also personal appreciation. It can be documented for no, personal focus. It can be personal focus or next step. Now, so I think the prior to the report of any report he will be the paper focus. Let us give it, they fix it so that they can type. After 3 weeks or after 3 weeks, anything. Okay. You can also have your contact with your client as to what type of investigation is going on. Because case is filed by you. So what is there in the case? It is information that also expired. Right. He may expire, but the investigation because his legal years are there. Yeah. Take initiative. Yes. Otherwise, it's pending since 2022 itself. The criminal petition is pending. So now this case diary, you can see the case diary is nothing is there. 2 3 witnesses have been recorded, and apart from this, they have nothing to happen. Okay, we are fixing on 14/6. Let us see.
Obliged.
Let us try one more way in the other. Then orders are there. Yes.
Lordship, I'm paying for the Jimma of a vehicle, Lordship. On the last occasion.
Yes, my lord, instruction was on short for my lord. Actually, on the last occasion, my lord, I have already given a letter in the there in the CD, my lord, that yes, yes, that the vehicle can be given on Jimma is no longer required for further investigation. That is there. But my lord, when my lord in the last rejection order, my lord, lower court, my lord, last page of the petition, my lord, that there is a one line that IO has seized the aforesaid vehicle subject to confirmation of the competent authority. So whether there is any order, such order now to seize. So my lord, I have talked with the IO on that day also. He said that after freezing, they send that information to the competent authority at Kolkata. But subsequently, in some cases, the confirmation comes, some cases not come. It's though it is in the order written, but in this case also no such confirmation as they have received.
So that then I will let the IO
Here-
give a report on in
Again,
writing.
today also again, just now I have printed out one report received that can be given. I have fixed the subject to confirmation of the competent officer, subject to confirmation. So, in some cases they have received the confirmation, in some cases they don't receive from the competent authority. Here also again, today also I have given this. That may be kept on record.
See, if, as per their submission,
Yes, their submission.
the Learned Court video has observed and said that it was already freezed.
Freezed.
So whether the form and it is pending for confirmation. In that regard, what is the say of the IO? That what we need.
Yes, madam. I have written a letter to the IO. I have talked with again. Yes, they send information like this, madam.
Sometimes confirmation comes or not comes, that is
Mm,
unknown.
yes, yes,
But it was freezed in connection with this case. Confirmation is not yet received, and then it may be released. That kind of order should be there, because in our orders also it is reflected that it is freezed. So whether there is any confirmation from the competent authority. If there is any confirmation, it's okay. If there is not at all any confirmation, then you can place a note.
That is not mentioned, madam. That should be mentioned.
Confirmation is not received. It can be. So that should be there.
That should be written in the. Madam,
Then, can we fix on Monday? Tomorrow is not there.
To Tuesday, madam. I'll personally talk to the IO, madam.
Talk to them. You finally think that you have not received the confirmation from the competent authority and it's not required. Maybe released.
Yes.
Like that. Because
Line should be in the.
yes, because it is there sufficient before the Learned Court below that
Yes, yes.
it is freezed and confirmation is.
I also just now I have received and I have taken out, madam.
Otherwise, the order of the what will be the order of the court? Because the court observed that it was
Yes,
the
yes.
IO who submitted before the court. This on Tuesday.
Tuesday, madam.
The vote 21. Okay, and that part on narrative. 21 5. Understand it.
My lord, though I have mentioned it, though I have mentioned the matter, my lord, but unfortunately, I left the file at my chamber, my lord. So any date, my lord, next week.
I also.
Wednesday can be given or no, not be given alternate that are 27 or 28. 28 to 20.
Oblige.
Oblige.
Oblige, your lordship.
May it please your lordship. On previous occasion, your lordship was pleased to grant us some time to file an additional affidavit to bring the birth certificate and the examination of PWT on record. We filed our additional affidavit, your lordship.
Birth certificate additionally.
Yes, actually, your lordship, we have filed 311 petition before the trial court, and trial court have rejected that application. We have challenged that rejection order here. And before that, I would like to highlight one very glaring discrepancies on the part of investigation officer. Your lordship may kindly come to page number 24 of the chart sheet. That is the second page of the chart. Page number 24 of my additional affidavit, in my additional affidavit. In point number 9, your lordship can see one original birth certificate of Miss Deborah Hokai, column Deborah Hokai, by serial number 02881681. This is the serial number. Now, lordship can see the birth certificate, which I have annexed at page number 30, my additional affidavit.
No, you're saying the 24 item number 9, point number 9.
Point number 9, your lordship, it is mentioned
Details
here. Point
of
number
the
birth certificate. The details of the birth certificate is mentioned here in the chart sheet. Original, one original birth certificate of Miss Devra Hokkai, issued from Morigao Civil Hospital, white serial number 02881681. This is the serial number. And the birth certificate which is adduced in the court by the informant, that your lordship will find at page number 30, the serial number is different. Which means there are two birth certificates, which we have highlighted before the trial court, but
Page number 30.
page number 30, your lordship, I have the certificate.
Here the serial number is
02881638. This is the certificate copy. The last thing I don't print, I can only 1638. This is the certified copy.
and the issuance date of issue is same.
Date of issuance same authority have issued the birth certificate. Morigao Civil Hospital. Same name of the. And there are lots of discrepancy in the charge sheet.
Regarding his date of birth?
I beg your pardon.
Date of birth is?
Date of birth is 31/1/2009. Date is also same.
That is the date of issue, I think.
Oh, sorry. Date of birth, lordship. Date is 31/1/2009 is the date of birth.
Date of birth.
Yes, date is also same. Date of birth, no?
No,
And date of issue is lordship in as per this birth certificate 13/3/2009.
Oh, what is the case?
The seizure list I have not annexed. It is also mentioned in the seizure list.
Where you are directed to file the additional affidavit?
Lordship, on previous occasion we have requested on 6th. It was listed on 6th. And the order I have.
Because I am not finding anything here. That's why I am asking.
Affidavit in opposition.
So you are the petitioner.
Yes, Lordship. I am the accused. I am for the accused. Yes, yes.
So now, by these things, what do you want to say?
So, Lordship, we have filed 311 petition before the trial court to recall the PW2 for further cross-examination for the clarification. And our prayer was rejected by the trial court. And that order we have challenged, that your Lordship will find in our criminal revision petition at page number 11, your Lordship. Page number 11 and 12. At page number 12, Lordship, the last reason given by the trial court, that is another reason cited. May I read, Lord? Another reason cited in the petition is that the birth certificate, that is Exhibit 2, is for certificate. Defense will get enough sufficient chance to substantiate this plea at the proper stage of adducing the defense witness. Also, no questions was put to PW2 during the cross-examination. Therefore, Lordship, we have.
Anyway,
we annex the examination of PW2 in our additional affidavit.
Notice is issued?
Yes, notice is issued, Lordship. We have
Notice could not be issued.
Lordship, we have taken the steps.
We have not taken steps.
We have taken steps. We have received, Lordship. This is the.
So, as per note of IO Aki registry 10-5, notice could not be issued upon this so and so due to non-receipt of steps.
So
you have not filed this.
We have taken steps.
You are doing some other thing.
Maybe
we have taken steps.
In some cases, maybe defective or similar. They may take steps in shortage of postal duty and all this. It may not reach to the registry. Maybe in the filing section.
What
it has to be checked. Sometimes maybe defective.
Because it is a
steps also
matter. So
yes. And scan copy also not received. Scan copy was also called for. As per policy not received.
Steps system is not showing that you have taken steps.
This is the
registry to verify.
Registry to verify. On which day?
Shortage of
1/5, 0/5. This order is passed on 6/5. Notice on 10/5. Thereafter, by 5. 45 what? Receiving of no notices. For Mr.
B Kuala.
For Mr. B. Court. Also for Mr. K. Prat. As per office note dated 10/5/2024, the office has not received any steps on. However, Mr. Paul, the council for the submitted that they have already taken steps for number 2, and in that regard, one acknowledgement. Next hearing date for the next hearing date for no, 45. The scan copy of LCR is not further. The petitioner has also filed their enforcement to order.
Lordship may kindly fix this order because trial. This is the last stage of trial. MO is the last witness, and the next date is fixed on 22.
Somehow, so you are the order was passed on 6/5. You could have taken steps on the that
No,
itself.
that is the clerical
We have
mistake.
taken steps on 14/5. So what to do?
Lordship,
Today is 17/5. That we have passed the
No,
order.
registry
Take
notice
steps on
earlier.
6/5.
Notice
So you have
earlier.
taken steps on 14/5. So that is your part. That is
step
your part.
I have already given the clerk
I
to
don't
take
know.
this
We
step.
don't know. Our system is not showing any state. That is the
That-
order
that
is
is
of
my
10/5.
mistake, Lordship.
That is your mistake.
Lordship may kindly fix the date.
How can we fix a date? LCI is not there. Fixing a date will not be possible. I think.
Notice has
MO,
to
the stage
be
of
notice taken on 14. Now it has
17.
to be
17.
17. So
today is 17 only.
it may not be dispatched from the
Yes, yes.
section.
Even if minimum 2 weeks, will be needed because the LCR we are calling for the LCR. So why you have come in a belated stage? What to do? After 2 weeks, any date can be given. We are giving 10/6. Let us see if it reaches. Then we'll see.
Obliged.
Because the petitioner number 2, respondent number 2 cannot be remain unrepresented. That is it. However, we are giving you 10/6. Let us see.
Obliged.
May I please your lordship? Oh. May I please your lordship?
Yes.
This is 482 application lordship.
It's okay, but you have appeared already.
Yes, sir.
You respond number 2. So service is completed.
Yes, the
As
service
per
is
office note dated
yes, the
8/5,
service
2008
service
was
completed.
awaited, but as he has already appeared,
Yes.
service is completed.
Service
But we
completed,
have
yes,
not received the scan copy of the LCR motor.
Yes,
It's a TV matter.
Yes, lordship. What happened? I am the brother-in-law in this case, lordship, and lordship. I am the domicile of Singapore, lordship. Annex are 3, lordship, page 73, lordship.
We
I
need
got
time to
the
file objection, lordship. We need time to file objection.
yes, lordship. Lordship, I went to Singapore in the year 1997, lordship, and in 2014, lordship, I got the Singapore citizenship, lordship. Lordship, kindly come to page 73.
No, it will come.
Yes,
we are not
lordship.
going to hear the matter
Yes,
now.
but lordship, there is no any interim order, lordship, and
He
what
will come from Singapore. What
Lordship.
the harm? No harm. It's a
lordship,
DV
what
matter.
happened in
We
this
cannot
case,
pass
lordship?
the
The
order of
sections of
stay.
DV Act is not attacked in this case, lordship. This is
See, he may
completely
not be-
misuse
as per your
process of
submission,
the
he may not be
lordship.
the same.
Lordship, this is completely misuse process of the DV Act, by the respondent side, Lordship, because
Maybe-
I never share the household, same household, Lordship, and the sections are not attacked in this case, Lordship, at all. So, Lordship, kindly maybe interim order may be passed because this is a case, Lordship, where the respondent misused the process of the Domestic Violence Act, Lordship. The sections are not attacked totally, Lordship. I never share the household. 2014, I got the
domicile of most probably the
Yes,
resident of
yes.
Singapore.
Please, Your Lordship. Actually, Your Lordship, at present, we would like to file an objection in this petition, Your Lordship. Some accommodation should be given to us. And if you will see the scan copy has
Especially
come
they
here.
are pressing for the brother-in-law.
Yes, Lordship,
Yes,
and
yes.
husband is there, Lordship, to
Yes.
provide everything.
Now, if on the 20th of May, this matter is fixed for interim maintenance in respect of the aggrieved. Now, in this stage, if your Lordship will stay this matter, then it will irreparably loss will be suffered by the aggrieved.
Lordship,
Now,
So we are not going to pass any order on
yes, Lordship. I'm
Lordship, the main respondent is there. Yes,
Let her complete.
continue, yes.
And your Lordship, on 20th of April, they forcefully evicted the aggrieved from their house, your Lordship, which they have admitted in their written objection, which they have filed in respect of the section 20, in respect of the aggrieved petition under section 23 of the DV Act.
Now, see, the question is that DV case is there.
Yes, your Lordship.
They are not denying that case is pending.
Yes,
and
Your Lordship.
the husband or other family members may
Yes,
be there.
yes,
But
yes,
as
yes.
per their
Yes,
submission,
Lordship.
he is the brother-in-law who is not the resident. He
Yes,
is not the
yes.
resident of
Yes,
India.
Lordship.
So he may be most probably as per their
Yes,
he
Lordship.
unnecessarily dragging this.
Yes.
That is their submission.
Yes, sir.
So anyway, your next date is fixing when?
20, Lordship.
20.
This month.
So how much time you needed?
3 weeks, your Lord.
In the meantime, Lordship, against me, Lordship, stay order maybe.
No, no, Your
Lordship,
Lordship.
the
Hold
main
the procedure will be
respondent,
stayed, Your
hold,
Lordship.
no, Lordship. How can hold the procedure stay, Lordship? Because I here only respondent number 4 is
Let us submit
coming.
our objection, your Lordship.
Lordship, the main respondent in this case, all are present before the trial court, Lordship, and
Because we have
the
received the
sections are
notice
not
just now,
attract
Your
at all, Lordship. And there are many judgment, Lordship, where the
If the subject is already completed. Receipt copy, scan copy, no. However, scan copy. It is further, but further it is submitted by MS. You are MS?
As me, Your Lord.
As we are, you can copy for it that will submit. And according to the complaint for complaint by their it's the matter because he is waiting for someone and 25 is there, so we cannot give you 2-3 weeks for 3 weeks or something. Let there be a fixed date, so you can appear file your written objection also after 2 weeks.
After 2 weeks.
After 2 weeks, any date can be. We are giving 10 by the 10 itself
Obliged.
to give because he is pressing that he is not at all involved in this case. So
Yes, Lordship,
we have to
obliged.
say.
Obliged,
So
Lordship.
now this petition is filed for the brother-in-law only.
only
or-
pardon, not the respondent 1, 2, 3 are who share the same house, Lordship, in the trial court. They facing the case, Lordship. They hide the complete fact, Lordship, even the address. Lordship, I annex the 3, Lordship, where 2014 I get the Singapore citizenship,
Highly
Lordship.
obliged, your Lordship.
Must apply.
Historical like because it is on.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship may peruse last order, Lordship, where it has been categorically stated, Lordship, the interim prayer will be considered on the returnable date, Lordship. But my respectful submission before this honorable court, Lordship, the matter will be they dispose of in accordance with the law, Lordship. There are judgments I have been relying, Lordship. But before
He
that,
is appearing here for the other side.
Lordship, notice was issued, Lordship, to the respondent, and they have not appeared today, Lordship.
I don't know, not appear.
Lordship,
I don't know. It's awaited.
Yes, Lordship.
No, it is awaited.
Yes, Lordship, it is awaited.
How can you say that not appeared?
Lordship, may I submit, Lordship, one thing, Lordship? If Lordship pleases, I would like to submit one thing, Lordship. There is a judgment passed by coordinate bench of this court, Lordship, whereby in a similar set of similar facts, Lordship, the case was been disposed of, Lordship.
Dispose of. Let the other side be at least appear. Or you have taken steps, I don't know. The steps
Yes,
has been taken, I think.
steps has been taken, Lordship. As far office not only steps has been taken, Lordship.
Then how can
Lordship, my interim prayer may be considered, Lordship, because Lordship may apprise one thing, Lordship. The Lordship may peruse the impugn order at page 25, Lordship, whereby the notice, though the notice was issued, and on that day I appeared before the learned court below in connection with my FC civil case, Lordship, which is pending before the same court. And on that day, copy was served upon me, and the interim maintenance was granted to the respondent herein, Lordship, the wife. The order itself reflects, Lordship. May I read it, Lordship? Page 25, Lordship. Petitioner is present and has submitted postal slip showing sending
what is the interim? Only 10,000.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, 5,000 to my child and 10,000 to wife, Lordship.
So if now as per the office note it is not served, but the awaited.
Yes,
report
but-
is awaited.
but Lordship,
Is there any cases pending?
Yes,
Other case?
yes,
Post cases pending.
yes, FC civil is pending, Lordship, and FC civil was filed by me, Lordship. It is numbered as
Whatever. FC civil is pending before which court? That the in Kamrup Metro only.
yes, Kamrup Metro, same court,
So
Lordship.
anyhow, you why don't you?
Lordship, they were very well aware of the fact, Lordship, because the earlier order has been placed before the learned court below, Lordship, and the petition we have submitted.
So can we pass any order that you can serve the notice? You want any? In fact, it is a criminal case, so that is not.
Through principal just family court, Lordship.
No. Principal just
If possible, Lordship. And for a moment, if Lordship pleases, may I
through
read?
advocate, if you say insist, then
Through advocate, Lordship, I actually, Lordship may kindly peruse order passed by the
order is okay.
Lordship.
We don't. Why don't pass the order? We don't need the presence.
In fact, in my petition, Lordship, I have categorically stated, Lordship, that I am paying the expenses of my minor child, Lordship, and which is evident from the receipts, Lordship. I am paying all the expenses of my child, Lordship, and I am ready to. In fact, my wife, she is not willing to take care of my child.
So interim was granted on 310. Then since then, have you paid anything? Nothing.
No, Lordship.
That's your fault. What can you? And if I pass the stay order, such kind of matter, then it will
Lordship,
be stayed forever.
actually,
So we are not
Lordship,
going to
Lordship,
pass
I
any
am
stay
not praying for stay order, Lordship. In fact, I am praying for a disposal of the petition, Lordship, with a, in terms of the order passed by Honorable Supreme Court, Lordship, in Rajnesh versus case,
Neha.
Lordship. Yes, Lordship. Because on the same day, Lordship, the notice without giving an
question is
opportunity,
there,
Lordship.
judges versus Neha is there, everything is there, but the question is there that admittedly there is a marriage between you
Yes, Lord. That I
and
agree.
the child is also admitted.
Yes, child is
So,
admitted.
if you consider that aspect also, you cannot absolve yourself from paying maintenance. That is
Yes,
another thing.
that is true, Lordship.
So we just let her come if it can be on that day itself. If her appearance on the admission stage or whatever, we can dispose of the matter. But at the very initial stage, and she is not
Lordship, that,
the receiver. If you want to, any other option, if you want for
Lordship,
service of
since
this,
it is a criminal case, Lordship, the justice is not permitted.
Dusty is not
Yes,
permissible.
Yes, Lordship.
but
If
can
Lordship
be
pleases,
quasi civil and all, then it can case. Otherwise,
yes, Lordship.
she is
If
not permissible.
Yes, Lord.
But we are allowing Dusty here, considering the facts
Yes,
and
Lord.
circumstances.
Yes,
We are on 44 now. Your name is not here?
Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of Mr. J. Payeng, Lordship.
J. Payeng.
SN
Oh, yeah.
Krishnatra.
Ah, yes, yes. Right name. Your name is, I find interesting your name.
Thank you.
SK?
SN Krishnatra. I will
SN
write it
Krishna
down.
Atriya. You are Asmis or
SMS, Your Honor. Your Lordship.
Atriya is there? No, that's why.
Krishnatra is my Gotra Lordship. I hail from
Atriya Gotra means maximum belongs to Nepali custom. That's
Yes,
why I
that's
thought that
Yes.
maybe Atriya.
It is all over India.
All over
In
India.
Rajasthan, even in UP, Bihar, Bengal also. In
But he is not Atriya but Krishna Atriya.
Krishna Atriya. Atriya Gotra is also there. It is
Yes.
just a corrupt form of Krishna Atriya.
Because my husband is also
And
Atriya.
Kaudinya Gotra. Kaudinya is very uncommon Gotra, which belongs to me. And that also I find very few essence people using having.
Your Gotra is?
My Kaudinya. Kaudinya, not Kaudilya. Kaudinya.
Oh. Anyway, thank you. As per office note dated 15/5/2024, the service is still awaiting. However, considering the commitment of Mr. Suenso, the service of notice to the respondent is allowed to the report. If it is in the report, then it can file in the court itself.
Yes, sir.
Then we can hear the matter.
Yes, sir. Justice allow Lordship, a date may be fixed.
LCR को कोई नहीं तो LCR को कॉल first week of June, any 2, 3, at 3rd of June or 3rd of June.
When Lordship?
3rd of June.
And may I pray, Lordship, one observation, if Lordship pleases, endeavor may be made for a disposal on appearance of the respondent. So that observation may be made.
Both of the matter.
Deeply obliged.
It's over. How many days? That too. Let's say the items are there too. So can be over by mistake, maybe over. It can be over.
May it be Lordship, my lord. Here, my lord, I filed this application at 438 for NTCBL, my lord. The Lordship will kindly come to there are two FIRs. In one FIR, I was not at all involved. Another person was there. Then also I arrested. And there, without anything, police arrest me, but this court granted bail. Now, second FIR is filed at page 10. Kindly come. Page 10. Incident is stated to have taken place in 2018-19 after 6 years. The FIR is filed into my lord. LS office of 1819. You will also kindly may I read, my lord. The information humble submission is that the accused person has received money in his government bank account number so and so to the extent of 35 lakh 64,000 from the informant Jagat Gogoi at Lakhimpur Bazar Development Branch Office Hotel in front of Girls HSS LIC office. It is necessary to mention here that, however, the accused person has returned 1,90,000 through bank account number so and so. But when he was asked to return the rest of the amount, he started to ignore the phone calls. Also, whenever we try to reach him at his home, he fled away. Whenever the other people asked him, he provided fake assurance to return the same. But since the year 2018-19, he has been absconded and did not return the amount because of his excuse and FIR has been lost. Now, this is the incident of admittedly after 6 years. This will certainly disallow even in proceeding to go ahead on the data on unresolved delay in latches. Now, we'll also kindly directly come to page my lord, 20. Page 20. legal notice.
Who is what?
Legal notice was served on me.
Oh, otherwise I have to have a again. Yes,
By
page number 20.
page 20. By one Nava Krishna Bora, advocate North Lakhimpur district, Lakhimpur, claiming 35 lakh 64,000 through a civil notice, my lord.
This legal
But
notice was issued to you.
yes, and my lawyer also, my lord, this is my lawyer's reply. My lawyer is my lord Susmita Datta, advocate North Lakhimpur. She replied to it. Since the entire allegation is false, and even assuming that is correct, then it is incident of 2018-19. So they had decided to go for civil suit ultimately against me, but found that it is time barred beyond 3 years. So civil suit would not lie. Then came to file this FIR, my lord, in 2024. 2024, my lord. So, my lord, this is not a case. It is not. It cannot be criminal case. It is already civil dispute. And here he admits that I have returned to 1,90,000. What was the transaction about? The informant says it is regarding giving a tractor to him. But it is all in all a civil suit, a civil nature, a case of civil nature. So, my lord, I pray case diary. Case diary called, my lord, in interim protection will given to me till that day.
Under which section cases registered, you have not mentioned anything in your petition.
Yes, only the GT entry has been.
The only GD entry. No, but the police is searching me to arrest.
Only DD entry is made.
Lordship, as per their instruction.
As per their instruction, DD entry. And as per them, another case is most probably pending before additional CTF Kamrup.
Lordship, if I may submit, Lordship, here two things are there, Lordship. One case which is BIO case that Lordship has already
one
seen.
BIO case.
That
Yes.
is a complete different case, Lordship, because in that FIR it talks about giving subsidy and all those things, Lordship.
By Rahul Amin.
Yes.
Not me.
But his name is also there in that
Yes,
BIO
that's
case.
there.
In that case, he was arrested and subsequently he was released on bail on 2/9/19.
Yes.
That's a separate issue, Lordship. This has nothing to do with the present affair. If
No,
Lordship
I'm not
has-
saying it is same.
my
Different.
submission, Lordship. Now, in this case, Lordship, this FIR, only GDNP has been mentioned, and here it talks about same modus operandi of giving benefit of subsidy in purchase of tractor. And Lordship, here the amount is very huge. Lordship has already seen the FIR, and it's a long pending matter, Lordship. So at this stage, Lordship, no interim protection, only case diary in the shortest date possible, Lordship. And no
Case diary,
no
in
interim.
the sense, it is only the DD entry,
Because
but
we'll take
thereafter any
We'll-
FIR has been or
Yes.
case has been registered.
We'll take the instruction, Lordship, whether any FIR has been lodged from this DD entry, and if yes, then we'll put it.
DD entry is there, whether the registration of
Yes,
FIR
yes,
is
yes,
there or
yes,
not.
yes. Whether any case
Case
has been
any is
registered.
registered under
Yes,
the
yes.
DD, under reference of the DD also case can be registered.
Yes,
There is
yes.
no bar. So now we are calling which case diary now?
Lordship can only mention the GD entry regarding the GD entry. And
DD entry করে দিন। DD entry
Well, I may be giving interim protection so that
DD entry number is
GD number is
6.
DD entry of 6.
And Lordship, date has also not been mentioned in this.
Date is also not.
date is, my lord, because the FIR is, my lord, the GD is so illegible. Just
At least the year, Lordship, the year has to be mentioned, at least the year. Which year, Lordship?
That is also not.
Yes, my lord, I have got. You also kindly come to page 12. The FIR date is 17/3/2024. At the top. GD entry number 6 of 2024. Date is 17/3/2024. It is eligible to that extent. Has the lordship got, my lord? So after 6 years, my lord, this is filed. Clearly a case of clear.
73 of TPS. Lakhimpur PS.
Lakhimpur PS.
Lakhimpur. And if I hereby asked to take instructions from KIFS whether any case is registered under the for not equal.
Lordship, we can have it on 28, Lordship.
2028.
28.
In the meantime, I will protect.
It's not a case of interim.
Just indeed, let me not be arrested. Just month.
No interim.
Huh?
No interim will be there.
Or no coercive
We are
measure, no coercive measure will be taken.
not know that whether case is there. It's not a case of interim.
But file it is made with GD entry.
GD entry is there. We are
Huh?
calling the case record on the basis of the GD entry. It's
Then my lord, relative on 22nd, my lord, because with urgency.
22nd. It may not be possible. Whether it reach, it will reach. 22nd, it will reach. I don't think so.
Telephone call, he will make tomorrow.
24,
24, yes, can be 24.
24 is, I think, holiday.
No.
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 Our is open day.
How is open?
High court is open.
24.
24. 24 here.
24. Yes.
No, they don't.
He is not there.
Okay, my lord. 24, I think there is some holiday.
No was answer.
No.
What is it? Oh, not answering, not
No,
answering.
23 is holiday.
Yes, it's 24.
Yes, site over.
My lord, relative on 22nd.
22nd is not possible.
Kindly.
May not be possible. May not be possible at all because we will go and then Mr. Sharma will say better. Better he is the state. I won't say.
Let it be 24, Lordship.
24. Let it be on 20.
Because they will have to inquire, Lordship, regarding the GD entry, whether or not there is.
Let it be on 24?
24.
Okay, we'll pass. One letter was left, but we were searching for you, in fact.
Yes,
Yeah.
my lord, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, my lord. I'm so sorry. My lord, the FIR is in page number 11, my lord. I'm going through, my lord. Subject: my daughter Arundhati Debnath murdered by her husband and elder brother-in-law. Accused: Jashoda Debnath and his elder brother Chanchal Debnath. It is specifically submitted herein that my daughter got married Jashoda Debnath Chandan, second son of Jatindra Debnath, resident of Kaitale Paladhar village, about 6 years back, as per Hindu rites. Within a short period of their marriage, husband Jashoda Debnath, one after another, continuously used to physical torture upon my daughter Arundhati Debnath. Jashoda Debnath, on each and every night, under the influence of alcohol, used to enter the house and inflicted physical torture upon my daughter. He used to kick, punch my daughter, and these were the daily routine of Jashoda Debnath. Very often, Jashoda Debnath and his elder brother Chanchal Debnath used to pressurize my daughter to bring money. Then I had managed rupees 1,50,000 from my brothers and handed over to Jashoda Debnath and Chanchal Debnath on the completion of 1 year of marriage. It is also pertinent to mention herein that at the time of my daughter's marriage, whatever gold ornaments I had gifted to my daughter and her husband, that valuable gold ornaments along with various other articles had all been sold by Jashoda Debnath. We had been hearing about the tortures from our daughter which was inflicted upon her, but still we were silently tolerated all this. On 16 March 2024, at the early morning hours, my daughter's husband Jashoda Debnath and his elder brother Chanchal Debnath murdered my daughter in a planned way and then hanged in the clothes hanger in the bathroom. One person can never commit suicide by hanging on cloth hanger. The cloth hanger in length is not more than 3 foot from the floor. And then, before our arrival, police or magistrate had laid down the dead body on the floor. This incident was not communicated to me either by phone or any other medium by these two brothers or relatives or my daughter's father-in-law or mother-in-law. At 12 p.m., the villagers informed me over phone and stated about the incident. Then we all rushed towards our daughter's matrimonial house and found her dead laying on the floor. By observing all this, I, along with my relatives, broke down in tears. My lord, this is the affair. And basing on this affair, my lord, the husband of the deceased lady was arrested on 23, my lord. I have annexed, this is in annexure number 4, my lord. My question is not on that. My prayer is also not on that. But on 8/4/2024, my lord, that is in annexure number page number 18, my lord. May kindly turn over. That is annexure 2, my lord. The police has arrested one third person. That is me, Bachu Devnath. I reside near about 100 meters from that Arundhati. That is the deceased person's house. The difference between her house and my house is near about 100 meters. My lord, my case is that I am a shopkeeper. I have a clothes store, my lord. And this Arundhati, she used to come to my shop to purchase clothes and everything, my lord. From last 6 years, she is purchasing all this, my lord. And during these 6 years, my lord, me, my wife, we used to talk with her. And us, it is only 600 meter only. So we know each other, my lord. And that's why, my lord, she used to call us. We used to call her. And this way, the communication was there. We were knowing about all these things. She also said that regarding all those tortures, she used to communicate this to her parents, her relatives, and sometimes to us also. So we were knowing everything. So there was verbal communications between her and me through phone, SMS, and like this, my lord. We used to take her news, that how she is, or like this, my lord. But surprisingly, my lord, on 8/4/2024, police has arrested me, my lord. And what is the ground of arrest? They said that the arrested accused Devnath had been in illicit with the deceased woman, namely Arundhati Devnath. That there are so many call records and SMS found in very long talking sessions between the accused and the deceased persons. Only this, my lord. And this is not an offense, talking with another person, my lord. They have arrested me, my lord. And from last 39 days, my lord, I am behind the bar, my lord. That's why I am here, my lord. My wife has filed one bail before this session judge Karimganj, my lord, on 29/4. That was rejected, my lord, without seeing case diary and all those, my lord. That's why, my lord, I am here, my lord. Kindly protect me, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, yes, as per the FIR, allegations are not against him. Allegations are only illicit relationship. Maybe because of that, my lord, maybe suicide, maybe murder, it will come out of the investigation. But at this stage, my lord, 30. Yes, my lord, section is also not against him, my lord. 39 days, otherwise, my lord.
304B is there.
All allegation against the brother and the husband. And maybe reason may be for this person, either murder or suicide. Maybe it may come out from the case diary subsequently, or but 39 days. CD, because it will come, it will take some time from Karimganj. Otherwise, Malad may fix on today 17. 27.
Obviously, from the
Otherwise,
reading of the FIR, it is that
all story against husband and that aspect is there.
and one has saying that he was being murdered by sneezing, and otherwise, in as per the report, it was a hang or suicide.
Maybe illicit relation, because maybe hang or maybe murder. Maybe, but in both occasions, he is the reason, my lord. Otherwise, because of maybe the illicit relationship, whatever in the forwarding report. But regarding murder, no allegation as per the FIR against him.
He got arrested on 8/4.
My lord, another, yes, my lord. And another thing, my lord, there was no physical relation between me and her, my lord. The question does not arise, my lord. It's a very small area, a village, my lord. To do this crime, to affect.
The IO has collected something. As per the call details or call records or SMS and all, it was the suspicion was there, or maybe the records are there, where from the IO, as per ground of arrest, there was a illicit relation.
My lord, even though, my lord, even if there is SMS or like this or something is there, my lord, that is not an offense, my lord. That is not an offense, my lord. It is, my lord. The thing is that this husband and their family, they are very highly influential persons, my lord. That's why he just want to save. to save himself, he is trying to divert only, my lord, and nothing else, my lord, nothing else. How can I become a cause, my lord? Because from the very early they are doing this to take the money, beating her, everything, all the things like this, my lord. And this wives means this ladies' parents, they are very poor, my lord. That's why. That's why they can influence many things, my lord. That's why they are taking me as ground, my lord, to save their skin, my lord, and nothing else, my lord. And in IPC also there is no such offense. Even if there is no such offense, my lord.
Okay. You are MS SD Chaudhary?
SD Chaudhary.
Part MS SD Chaudhary. Part KK Prat. This subject by MS that there is nothing in the FIR against the present and the entire election in the FIR against the husband and the brother-in-law. It is as per the FIR, she was the deceased was mentally tortured by both the accused petitioner. No, both the accused was, that is the husband and the brother-in-law of the, and there is no whisper at all in the FIR against the present accused. It further submitted that the fact that the accused, the present accused and the deceased had talking terms, as he has a road shop near to the house of the deceased, and in that context he could come his house shop as well as in the house, and the accused petitioner as well as his wife also had cordial relationship with it. But there is no such physical or illicit relationship with the deceased as stated in the boarding report by the fact. Also, he is behind the bar. He was arrested in connection on 8/4/2024 and thus also takes the action of him. Mr. Parashar contacted the fact that the fire was in the and in the FIR reporting report, it has alleged that the accused petitioner had a for that may be one of the cause for her suicide. That may be one of the as quite big that but I will already got time for considering it another part. On for particular but I might where it is pending for?
My lord, in Karimganj, my lord, Ratabari, yes, Karim.
No.
CGM Karim.
CGM Karim.
CGM Karim.
You're granting bail.